you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. First of all, thanks for coming to our stall. We AMSc is presenting here with the Wintech solution, other Wintech solutions. So myself, Dhiraj Patil, is the operation manager for India, and we are presenting here under the Wintech solutions. Basically, we are in the design of the wind turbine and provides the complete solutions, engineering supports to the our clients. And under the MSc, we have the one division, we call it is the Grid Tech Solutions. So under Grid Tech Solutions, we have the brand name as a DIVAR. In India, of course, the peoples are familiar with the name of STATCOM, or somebody says it is SVG. Now, according to the CA guidelines and regulation, the grid codes, renewable applications, it is mandatory to have the dynamic power response, reactive compensation. So we have the good developed the STATCOM here. DIVAR we call it is, gives the very fast response. It has been designed and manufactured in the USA. So our headquarters is in USA. The complete globally we have the around 350 plus employees working. In India, yes, of course, we have license to Inox Wind, the 2 megawatt turbines in 2009, and successfully the Inox Wind has installed 1,600 turbines of 2 megawatt capacity rating, and in 2023 we have again given the 3.3 megawatt the new license to Inox Wind, and successfully that turbine is performed very well since 2023. This is the actual photo of the site we displayed here from the Rosemal Gujarat site, and the turbine is doing performing very well with the power curve of 3.3 megawatt, and Inox has started serial installations also, and we are supporting them on the site, on their factory test, everything, the complete solution we provide to Inox Wind. So these are the products, and we have the complete team of the service. We build up the very good service team to support to the client in India, because we AMSc is the company to provide the technology solutions and open our office and service center in Noida, closer to Delhi. No other technology partners have opened the office in India. So that's the opening of this service center, the objective to provide the 24/7 service to our client. And that's the reason we do have the spare parts maintained, we have the warehouse for that, and the fast response to our client to support them in all phases, the modification, software upgradation. So all these take cares we took in India. That's the reason the AMSc has the design of the very robust wind turbine. If you ask to feedback to any National Institute of Wind Energy, which is in Chennai based, so there is the no power limitation or derating happens to our design. And we consider, since the 20 plus years of experience of design wind turbine, we have considered the Indian climate conditions, where the turbines has installed in the such Rajasthan, where the temperature is very high, but still the turbines are performing very well. I was talking about AMSc is the only technology provider in India that we have opened the office and full-fledged service center in Noida, closer to the Delhi. The objective of that to provide on-time service to our clients in India, Inox Wind. So we support completely with our fully developed the service team in India, and we do the maintain the warehouse also, the spare parts that required for the Inox Wind and their customers, because electronics control system that we manufacture and supply to Inox Wind. So that's the reason we should have the backup of the spare also, which is very important to maintain the machine availability. Then we have the very good team that develops the wind turbines, very careful thoughts, and we have the more than 20 years of experience with our Wintech team who sits in the Austria, and we have the complete departments like engineering department who takes care for the electronics control system development. Then we have the automation software upgradation department that they takes care control engineering. We have the very good team of the mechanical design. So Mr. Anton Wolf is leading that team and designs the new turbines. So that's the reason in the market, I think in India now the huge demands for the wind turbines as well as solar renewable energy. So and good opportunity for the everybody, the all investor, the manufacturer, we can say OEM, and of course the technologies are new technologies also coming in India, and we are so confident to deliver the very good robust design turbines to to Inox Wind. We are talking for 4x megawatt turbine design. We are also ready for the 5x megawatt turbine. So of course, we keep them in mind that that turbine should perform, and power curve that has to achieve that all this, and most important is the life. Now you know that 25 years is the lifespan for the wind turbine, and that's keeping in mind. We design with that turbine should run functions 25 years of the lifetime.
So, what was your purpose of exhibiting in Wind Energy Expo? What were you looking for? Was it for a new launch, or to meet new customers, or competitive intelligence? What was it?
uh, the exhibiting in wind energy, the most important, this is the wind energy event that organized by the PDA Ventures and IWTMA jointly with the support of the Ministry of Power and all these prime partners of them. This is the event that exclusively organized for the wind industry. So that's the reason we meet here. The many expertise here. The visitors comes and discuss. We listens to the customer, their ideas, what are the issues, the challenges that they face. Being the IPP gives some feedbacks to us, what they are expecting basically to have the good best of the turbine. So we listen from them. We keep in mind and we implement that in the design of the new turbines also. So this is the reason that we present and participate in the wind energy, so that we should be connected to the customers and in this industry. That's a point of that. And of course we are presenting with this STATCOM device also, DIVA, which is now become the mandatory to have the for every solar generating station and renewable application wind solution.
So, are you happy with the kind of the visitors, the quality of the visitor that are coming into Wind Energy Expo?
Yeah, sure. The quality of the expertise and the dignitaries are coming here, the good delegates, very professional way, I would say, and the nice arrangement, the layout of this complete halls is very nice. The services and the quality of the visitors I observe in this one, and the day one was also very good response after the inauguration. The people was started and discussion. So good crowd attraction of the people, and that's we feel very satisfied with participating in this.
What is your opinion about the concurrent events that are happening, like the conferences and the roundtables?
Yeah, see, being the person presenting on the stall, sorry, I could not attend the conference, but I have gone through the agendas, and my colleagues, ex-colleagues has given the feedback. It was a very good discussion that basically that gives the inputs and feedbacks to the policy makers and MNRE departments, and they discuss the challenges, what is the issues they are facing for execution on the site, and what the way we are looking forward to achieve our set target of renewable energy by 2030. So all these things with the great experience of dignitaries, panel discussion happens in this event in the conference. So that's a good thing. Very well organized that one. Okay.
Is there any feedback for the organizers, on how to improve the show?
Basically no feedback, because since 2018 we are participating in wind energy. So except that 2 years of the COVID time, we missed this event, and since 2018 we are participating. So last year also was the very good response. This year also the good response. I don't say any negative feedbacks to organizer basically. Instead of that, thanks to PDA Venture and IWTMA.
So, since you have been participating in the past events also, how has these shows, helped you increase your growth in the percentage?
Yeah, basically here what happened, this platform gives the opportunity uh, to meet to the customers, suppliers and discuss their requirement, understand in depth because virtual meetings are the one concept, but very frank, this face-to-face meetings with the customers and with the experts, the design teams, and this wind industry market is growing very, very fast now in India. That's why the monitoring, the SCADAs, performance monitoring through the digitalization has come. So that's why the improvements are happening, and this event, Wind Energy, specifically giving that platform to discuss and meet to the customers, manufacturers, suppliers. So this is the, I see the good, every year there is the value addition, I would say.
So, would you recommend this show to your competitors and other industry colleagues as well?
Yeah, definitely. The people ask me, even the globally, our team has asked, and we talk about the wind energy event. So we have not only me, but if you ask to others, the exhibitors also, they have also the same feeling. They are fully satisfied about that.
Okay. And any last words for the, organizers?
Yeah, I would say the thanks on behalf of all exhibitors to PDA Ventures team, IWTMA, as well as the supporting from the government Ministry of Power Ministry, MNRE, of course the Association of the Wind Turbines Manufacturing, and all the partners those supported. I say thanks to all the involved team here because to arranging such a great show is not easy. It's a challenging, but still people's coming together and discussing here. So thanks to the organizer, it's a great event, I would say, and thanks for to our management also AMSC. My colleague was here today. He is not here. Mr. Mozer Kitchen has supported me well day one and day two here. So thanks to my internal management team also, Mr. Michael Messner, who is heading our wind business, and complete team of the Austrian intake as well as my Indian team, service team. We are sitting in the Noida. They are also doing and taking the very hard work. All design engineers who sits in the Austria and USA. So thanks to our entire management, our CEO, Mr. Daniel McGann, and entire AMSC team globally. So that's why this opportunity has come by virtue of the wind energy and PDA. So we presented well, and day 3 is also going well. So thank you very much for coming to our talk and interview.
If I have to ask you one word
Yeah.
about the show, what would you like to say?
This is the mind blowing and excellent arrangement.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.